What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a great white shark. For today's lesson we'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker, and I've got my 11 by 17 sheet of white paper turned over towards its side, and I've got some markers to color with. I'm going to leave a full list of all my art supplies with links in the description below. Let's begin today's lesson all the way over on the left side of our page and draw the top edge of the snout. So we're going to start by curving this down, bend this up around the eye, and then back down. Now in this area, we're going to draw a circle for the eye. Let's add a small circle along the top for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom of the eye in black, going around that highlight. Now going back to the top left side of the eye, we're going to add a fold for the brow. We're going to come down and then pull that up. And then underneath the eye on the left, add a fold coming down and in. Let's go back over toward the left side. I'm just going to round up the snout, then the mouth coming down, and then in towards the bottom. Now from here we're going to draw two curves across the top of the mouth. We're going to start by going up, then this down, and then go back up. Let's add a fold, so we're going to step back in, then this across, and then down towards the right. Now I'm going to open up the lower jaw. We're going to step back up, then this down, and then over towards the left. Now we're going to add some flesh across the corner of the mouth. We'll start from this point, going out, and then back in. Let's add some sharp teeth across the top, starting from the left side, then this down and in, and then go wider as we go back up. Now we want to repeat this all the way towards the right side of the mouth. Let's do the same thing across the bottom, starting on the left, then it's up and in, and then back down. And again, just working our way toward the inside of the mouth. Let's go underneath the teeth on the right side. I'm just going to bend the back side of the tongue, going across, down, and then out. Let's close off the back side of the mouth, starting underneath this tooth, bend this across, and then down. On the top left, let's add a small oval and fill that in for the nostril. And then from here, we're going to work our way across the back. Let's start from the top of this curve and bend this up and then over. Now I'm going to leave the gap across the bottom of the fin. Let's continue that curve, going across, come down. Now I'm just going to bend that out towards the tail. Let's place that fin on top of this gap. So we're going to start over on the left, start by coming in and up, and we'll bend that out. From this point, we're just going to curve this down towards the back. We're going to add a notch along the way. So we're going to come down, come in and back out. Continue that curve coming down towards the back. Let's go to the bottom of the mouth and curve the belly. Come down, go across, and then up towards the fin. Now I'm going to layer that large fin on top of the body. So we're going to step up, then down across that line, and then out. Let's taper this back up. Then we're going to add one more curve coming in and then up. Now I want to continue the body on the right side of the fin, going across, and just taper the tail going up. Let's add two smaller fins across the bottom. Down, and then bend that back up. Now we're going to move back and add a smaller one. We can do the same thing across the top, add a small fin going up, and bend that down. Now I want to show the back fin in behind the body. So we're going to draw that same tip, starting down here, this across and back, and then pull that back up underneath. Let's go back and finish off the tail. Starting from the end of this line along the top, we're going to go up, and then bend that out. Let's go to the bottom, come down, and out with a shorter curve. Now from the top, we're just going to bend this in and then down about halfway, right about there. Let's add a notch, coming in and out. Continue that curve coming down. Now I'm going to work our way down towards the bottom of the tail. Continue that curve, going all the way down. Now along the outside of the mouth, we're going to add some gills. Let's start from the top, then it's across towards the right, and then back in. Now you leave a gap and add a few more. Around, and we're going to go a little bit shorter as you go out towards the right. Now to make our shark look really cool, we want to add a trim going across the center of the body. To start on the left side, we want to wobble this line. It's going around. Now this could be random. I'm just going to go around the mouth. We're going to go across the gills towards the fin. Now it's going to work our way out towards the base of the tail on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a great white shark. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And again, I'll leave a full list of all my art supplies with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.